joint angle line is to purely measure the width of the angle line, measure in from the end of the angle line and mark up there. Or you can just lay the angle line over there, draw up. Now that's your first cut. So we cut down there, and your second cut will be there, which is actually when you have your friction cutter on it, you're just cutting straight in to find this cut. So you're cutting that piece out, and that remains and that remains. So the only two cuts, and you only need to mark one, which I like to do this one on the drop saw because you get a nice 90-degree cut straight down. Well, with this piece gone, this piece will just slot straight into there. I'll do one of these now and you'll see what I mean. So I've trimmed down here now, so this will all drop in nicely like that, and just run a bit of a weld around. The way I plan to cut the miters for the doors, I'll cut across there with the miter saw because that cuts nice and straight, and then I'll cut that with a friction cutter, and we'll get our 45. sit neatly on the inside edge. That's one door tacked together, and this is the other one ready to tack. So get here 3/8 holes. Ready to put the bolt heads in. Now, the plan is that's a 3/8 bolt, and I'm just going to cut him off about here, just enough to go through the angle iron, pop him through, weld from the other side so we get a nice clean head sticking out the top. This is to hold the wood. One's going to sit there. To make these rivets I'm using standard 3/8 bolts. The grinding wheel is rotating downwards at the front, and when I have the bolts in the drill I have it rotating in an upwards direction to meet the grinding wheel. Working with steel and power tools is dangerous. Get the proper training so you can do things safely. I'm not a good role model for this. Right, we've made the rivets. Now I need to cut them to length. Now, to make it nice and simple, I've put a piece of steel in here. Now this is the width I want prior to the nut. So all I've got to do, I'll drill a 3/8 hole in it. Cut it off. Every one of them will be the same size. I've got 2 saw blades and they're going to go one on each door, smacking the guts. Now I've filed off the sharpness so that from this side anyway there's nothing sharp. Handles. Got 2 nice chunky handles for here. thinking 2 hammers, but went off of that. Do 10-inch adjustable spanners, but look at these fellas. Two of them. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go with these fellas. I'll paint them black. Weld a 3/8 bolt on the back so I can just bolt it straight to the timber when I put the timber on. And that should look pretty cool. So that's the handle sorted. Like that. Inches to the bottom. There's your handles. Here we stop smiling. Oh, the camera's still. Here we are with the final product. I love it. It's one tough looking cupboard. So yeah. Get quite a few tools in that, or if you wanted to, it would make an excellent bar. You want to light up under here, a couple of glass shelves. You could hang your glasses on the doors. I could just picture this, multi-use. You could almost use it for anything. But for me, I'm going to hang my tools in it, in the shed. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. There's more to come. Thank you.